Polestar 4 vs ZEEKR 7X, which EV is the safety champion of 2025? If you're considering a new electric SUV in 2025, chances are that safety ranks high on your checklist. Two of the most advanced contenders are the Polestar 4 and the ZEEKR 7X, both awarded a 5-star safety rating by Euro NCAP. But when we dive deeper into the crash test categories, key differences begin to surface. Let's explore how each car performed across all 4 safety pillars. Adult occupant protection. Polestar 4 scored 92%, offering excellent protection in all scenarios. Frontal impact, 14.6 out of 16. The cabin remained stable, with good protection for knees, femurs, chest, and head. Side impact, 16 out of 16, perfect score in both barrier and pole tests. Rear impact, whiplash 3.7 out of 4, high whiplash protection in both front and rear seats. The car also includes e-call and multi-collision braking, with successful submergence escape validation. ZEEKR 7X scored 91%, nearly matching its rival. Frontal impact, 13.8 out of 16, slightly lower than Polestar, but still good. Side impact, 16 out of 16, full marks, just like Polestar. Rear impact, whiplash 4 out of 4, outperformed Polestar here. Like Polestar, it includes e-call and safety features for occupant extraction and water submersion. Winner, Polestar 4, by a small margin, due to better frontal impact score. Child occupant protection. Polestar 4 achieved 85% overall. Crash protection, full 24 out of 24 for 6 and 10-year-old dummies. Safety features, 6.0 out of 13, with airbag deactivation and a direct child presence detection system. All common child restraints were installable without issue. ZEEKR 7X performed even better with 90%. Crash protection, also a perfect 24 out of 24 score. Safety features, 8.5 out of 13, higher than Polestar, with better CRS compatibility. Includes child presence detection and well-labeled airbag status. Winner, ZEEKR 7X, thanks to its higher safety feature score and broader child seat compatibility. Vulnerable road users, pedestrians and cyclists. Polestar 4 scored 81%, offering strong all-round protection. Good head protection except at the A-pillars and windshield edges. Pelvis and leg protection were rated mostly good. AEB systems performed well for pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. Includes cyclist dooring prevention on all side doors. ZEEKR 7X slightly behind with a 78% rating. Similar performance in head and leg protection, but pelvis results were more mixed. AEB systems reacted well to vulnerable users. Lacks full cyclist dooring prevention, available only on the driver's door. Scored 0 for motorcycle lane support, impacting its total score. Winner, Polestar 4, due to more complete protection and cyclist safety features. Safety assist technologies. Polestar 4 scored 79% overall. Lane assist and emergency lane keeping rated as good. AEB for car-to-car scored 8.3 out of 9, and lane support 2.8 out of 3. Includes intelligent speed assistance and fatigue monitoring. However, its driver monitoring system was not active from the required speed, scoring 0 in that category. ZEEKR 7X came out ahead with 83%. Full marks in lane support, 3 out of 3, and strong AEB results 7.9 out of 9. Includes advanced driver monitoring that tracks fatigue, microsleep, phone use, and distraction. Speed and seatbelt assistance also performed well. Winner, ZEEKR 7X, with more advanced and better rated assistance systems. Final verdict, who takes the safety crown? Polestar 4 is the leader in adult protection and pedestrian safety, and offers superb structural crash performance. ZEEKR 7X wins in child occupant protection and safety assist, making it the smarter choice for tech-driven family safety. Ultimately, both vehicles are among the safest electric SUVs tested in 2025. Your decision comes down to what kind of safety matters most to you. Now it's your turn. Which EV is the safety champion? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.